Hey everyone, today we wanted to show you the Sheraton Club here. We had the club level room while we were staying here during CubsCon. We wanted to show you the offerings of the club. Unfortunately, this club, unlike any other club we've ever experienced before, was only available during the week. It is only available Monday through Friday. It was not available on the weekends. So unfortunately, because we stayed on a Sunday night, and to Monday, we were only able to show you the breakfast offerings and not the evening appetizer offerings. So we will have to come back for that, but we did want to take you inside and show you what's for breakfast.